Good afternoon. My name is Corporal Abhishek Kumar, TNSD 608030. I am from VIT University, NCC. Today I will be talking about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was a step taken by our government to make our India clean. I would like to mention a few key points which we should keep in our mind before we talk about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The very first point is that in India, in Meghalaya, there is a village which I don't know about the name, the name, but it has been ranked the most clean village in the whole Asia. Like it's the most beautiful and the cleanest village in the whole Asia. So why, if one village in India can take such step, why not the whole India? Why not every a person in India unite together, and we should make our India the cleanest country in the whole world? The very first point. The second point is, like, let's talk about current scenario. So current scenario, we can see that our country is going through a pandemic situation. Not our country, the whole world. And currently we know that the cleanliness is the best weapon which we have in order to counter this particular enemy. And as we know, to counter this pandemic, we should always keep our hands clean, and you should always use sanitizers and masks. Unfortunately, I'm not having a mask over here, but I can show you sanitizers. And you should always keep your hands clean every time. And before going outside, you should always take precautions. And the third thing I would like to mention is that yes, our government has taken such a step of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which is very, very revolutionary. But it has turned into a revolt, because still now a lot of sectors in our country have to be taken care of, so that this particular agenda could work. No, could work very properly. Like a lot of stations are right now also, like railway stations, and not about airports are clean, but railway station, no, public places over there, still now awareness needs to be spread among the people, so that they could keep the surroundings clean. The basic thing is spreading awareness among people, like enlightening their minds, that to enlighten the fire inside them, that they should understand that it's important to keep the country clean and keep the surroundings clean. And a few other steps can be taken, like on the road, if even on a public pavement, every, like in my college only, if I walk on the walking pathways, every 10 meter I see a dustbin. So if on any other public places, if some same step can be taken, then it will be very helpful. Like if I am using some commodity and I am to throw a packet or something, then I can see a dustbin and easily throw it. If the dustbin is 100 meters away, the people, they feel a bit lazy to go to that position and to use that dustbin. But if the dustbin is near to them, then they can easily use that. This step can be taken. And also, some technology can also be used, like social media and all those platforms can be used to spread awareness among people, so that no so that basically this is a message, and it has to be spread among all the people, that we have to keep our surroundings clean, we have to make our country clean. It's an enlightenment which has to be done to all the people. Once it has been spread to all the people and all people understand that it is important, how much importance it carries, then it will be just a matter of months, I would say, to keep our country clean. Otherwise, if people still like, if they don't understand, then it will be difficult, to to fully execute this particular step. So at last, I would mention is that cleanliness is next to godliness, and my country was once known as the golden bird, soon chidiya of the world. And India has a lot of talents, a lot of beautiful places. It's one of the most beautiful country in the world. We have every natural resource in our country, every natural place, and we must keep our country clean and make this country the most beautiful and the most cleanest country of the world. Thank you very much.